Not every trade goes according to plan, and I want to use myself as an example. Yesterday, I made a little bit over 13K, and today, so far on the day, it's literally within 2 hours of the market open. I'm down about $10,000. Two bad trades on DJT. It's a very risky stock, and if you don't respect it, it will turn against you, right? No question about it. Originally, I entered a short position. I ended up cutting losses over here. That was during my live trading session. I think I was down about 4 to 5K. It then became overbought. I re-entered a short position when it was showing signs of a pullback and then went back to make new highs, then cutting losses again. So now, because it's trading right around the EMA, I have re-entered this short position. I still do believe that there is pullback potential. We're working our way back down to the moving average. So I think I could get close to break even, but I want to use myself as an example that, again, not every time that you go up to bat, you're going to hit a home run. Not every time that you go up to bat, you're going to even make it on base, right? You are going to strike out sometimes, and it does suck. There's no reason to sugarcoat it. But obviously, when you trade with more money, you could potentially lose more money. It's not always just, I made 13K yesterday, I make 13K every day. No, it doesn't work like that, right? This is why it's so important for absolute beginners when you're learning how to do something. Understand that you're trading with money. And when you make mistakes, it costs you money. And there's no reason to sugarcoat that. You need to be real with yourself. And if you don't want it to cost you much, then make sure that you don't trade with much. Respect yourself enough. Respect your future self enough that you don't put yourself in a position that you end up regretting. Make it an enjoyable experience, right? So yes, you want to make sure that you motivate yourself enough to show up every single day and take it seriously. But obviously, do not put yourself in a position in which you simply cannot tolerate. When I see beginners trading with $10, $15, $20, $30,000, it baffles me how they can even make sense of that. You're a beginner. Make sure that your trading account reflects a beginner. You can have $25,000 in your trading account, but it doesn't mean that you should be trading with $25,000. I would trade with as close to zero as possible. I'm just being open with you guys. But again, I wanted to use myself as an example. DJT down about 10K. And other than that, Tesla getting absolutely destroyed, hitting lows of 148.70. You guys let me know what you think about Tesla. Tesla is at 52-week lows, but if we look at all-time lows, 101.81 based off of recent patterns. If we break below 150, are we headed right back down to 101? You guys let me know down in the comment section. It looks extremely, extremely bearish. And also looks like NASDAQ market is trying to find its support right now. We'll see if this was a nice little bear trap. Bear trap means that, again, it faked a lot of people to enter shorts where this thing could potentially begin to recover and then make a full recovery right back up to previous highs of 450. So it's something that I'm paying very close attention to because, again, if this thing does begin to recover, then all of big tech will most likely recover with it. But if this thing does continue to sell off, then again, that's when I'm going to be paying attention to it as we work our way back up to that EMA on this 1 hour time frame, looking for that rejection or that confirmation of that reversal. So the 1 hour time frame on QQQ is what I'm paying attention to. I'm still shorting DJT and I'm still paying attention to Tesla at the lows of 150. I would love to buy Tesla at a really cheap price to be able to make money on the recovery, but the EV market just does not look giving right now. It looks like it's extremely bearish, and this might just be the beginning. So you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. Also, for all those that have been asking, my risk to reward ratio calculator is free. You guys can find it at techbudsolutions.com. Once you get here, all you have to do is scroll down, click on more trading tools, and you scroll down. And again, we have it available for you for Apple devices or for PCs. It does not matter. You can download it for free at techbudsolutions.com. Don't forget, again, I do trade live every day. And just like you saw today, you get to see my good trades and my bad trades. And if you want that raw live trading every single day, especially if you're doing this all by yourself, if you learn better by watching other people do, then again, take 2 minutes, click that second link in the description down below, learn a little bit more about our LPP team and see if it's a good fit for you, because right now it's 50% off and it's our biggest discount. It won't get better than that. And again, if you sign up today, you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.